Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to upload high quality video status on WhatsApp. And basically what you can do, you can just go ahead to the WhatsApp, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on the settings. In the settings, I'm going to just go ahead to the storage in data. In the data, what you're going to do, first of all, you're going to just go ahead and use less data for calls, right? Toggle it on and see in the when using mobile data or something like that, photos and audio and video, make sure that you include the Wi-Fi and cellular data basically, right? And by doing that, you will be allowed to upload high quality photos. And the next thing that I want to mention is go back to your screen and go out to the App Store or Google Play, right? In the Google Play, and the App Store, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the apps, right? And just go ahead and start looking for WhatsApp, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if the app needs to be updated, right? So after you update it, just go ahead and open up the WhatsApp again, go ahead to the chat, go ahead to the update, and just start uploading from there, right? And I'm gonna just upload, let's have an example, simple like photo like this little one, right? And you're gonna be able to upload it with a high quality. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.